at Malaysia between October 5, 2020 until October 12, 2020. The total confirmed cases at Malaysia is 3,407.
Open coronavirus data.
Hi, welcome to Coronavirus Data. Can I help you?
Update about coronavirus.
Which country?
Singapore.
Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today's video we are going to talk about developing an Amozan Alexa skill using node.js programming and ASK of Amazon. In this case, we are going to develop an enhanced version, a custom-made version of Amazon Alexa skill capable on explaining and providing coronavirus data. Okay. But I'm not the one going to explain to you. Previous semester, I have given a student project. I guide them through, give them an example, and one of the group come out a good project and the video. So today I will share the video with you.
Hi, I am Lee Qun Xian, the group leader of the Matrix team.
My name is Leong Shu Xuan.
Hi, my name is Hamiza.
Hi, my name is Nadhirah binti Abu Hassan.
These are the sample utterances for task 1. There are 5 utterances here. These utterances will let Alexa know of our intent, which is for task 1 to get the latest statistic info for coronavirus of a specific country. Meaning the user need to speak out the name of a country that they wish to know. And due to that, only one slot is required with slot name country and slot type Amazon.country. Because country name is compulsory, therefore slot filling is enabled. When the user didn't speak out the country name, Alexa will ask the user for which country, and the user will reply with the country name. Slot confirmation is for double checking. Alexa will ask the user, I heard country, is that correct? Then the user will either reply with yes or no. However, we already set at the output that Alexa will mention the name of the country. For example, for Malaysia, for Singapore, for Thailand, to verify the country name. And due to that, our group decided to exclude all the confirmation slot, which means the user will give a valid input and Alexa will speak out without asking for further confirmation from the user. These are the code for task 1. Task 1 is about getting the latest statistic info of coronavirus data for a specific country. COVID-19 API summary is chosen for the ease of the task in getting the latest info about coronavirus data. This line of code is needed as we are jumping from Amazon server to another server. This variable is defined as this is what we want for the output, the current date, number confirmed, number death, number recovered, rate death, rate recovered, and I is defined as the looping variable. If the country is not undefined, mean it is well defined, it will loop all the country names in the COVID-19 API. If the country name is same as the slug name in the COVID-19 API, then it will store the information that we set here. Then later, it will speak out the name, the confirmed, the death, the recovered, the death rate, and the recovered rate. But sometimes, the name is available in the Amazon.country, but it is unavailable in the COVID-19 API due to spelling of the name and the slug name. So when this happens, Alexa will speak out invalid, unable to provide data for the country. So the user might need to recheck the name of the country again. So this output will later be sent to Telegram.
Welcome. For Malaysia, on November 2, 2020, total confirmed cases is 31,548. Total mortality cases is 249. Total recovered cases is 21,248. The mortality rate is 0.789%. The recovered rate is 67.351%. For Poland, on November 2, 2020, total confirmed cases is 362,731. Total mortality cases is 5,631. Total recovered cases is 140,280. The mortality rate is 1.552%. The recovered rate is 38.673%. Invalid. Unable to provide data for Korea. Please check the country name again.
Alexa, open coronavirus data.
Welcome.
Get coronavirus data for Thailand.
For Thailand, on November 2, 2020, total confirmed cases is 3,784. Total mortality cases is 59. Total recovered cases is 3,592. The mortality rate is 1.559%. The recovered rate is 94.926%.
These are the results obtained and been sent to Telegram. The first one is the results by voice in Alexa Windows app, and for the remaining three are the results by typing in Alexa Simulator.
Okay, for task 2, we need to design a code that can read the coronavirus data from a specific country and from start date to end date within that period only. This is the reference design for task 2, where user need to enter the information such as name of country, start date and end date to make sure that Alexa can read the data and give the output such as number of cases and the rates within that period. This is the slot type used in this task 2, which is Amazon country, Amazon ordinal, Amazon month, and lastly is Amazon 4-digit number. For the required slot, just use for country, ask for which country, ask for start date, and lastly is Alexa will ask for end date. Okay, so for task 2, here is the slot confirmation for country. We can put as I heard country, is that correct? We can include the confirmation for all of the slot to pass the responsibility to user. However, in order to save time due to many input, including country, start date, and end date, our group decided to exclude all of the slot confirmation, and Alexa will be able to give an output if the input are valid, which means if user enter the correct country names and date, Alexa will be able to give the correct output without asking for any further confirmation from user. Okay, so for task 2, the code is designed to make it able to read data from a specific country and from start date to end date. Alexa will read the data within that period only. We use get task 2 intent handler for this task 2. This is a variable need to be filled by user such as country, start date, and end date. If user did not mention a year, Alexa will read as 2020. The URL used for this task 2 is api.covid19api.com/total/country and add with any country mentioned by user. For example, if user mentioned India, Alexa will go through to read the data for India within the specific period mentioned by user. So this is the coding part for the start date and end date. We need to do it separately since we need two different dates to read the data for a specific period. The output of the date will be in the format of year-month-day. If the date entered by user is correct or fully entered by means the day and month mentioned, it will go to the variable J for end date, and start date will go to variable I. If the day is not fully mentioned or wrong, Alexa will speak out sorry, unable to provide you any coronavirus data. Please check your date or country and try again. Same as the country, if the country is undefined in that URL, Alexa will speak out the same output, and if everything is correct, by means the date is fully entered and country is defined, Alexa will speak out the coronavirus data such as the number of cases with their rate, with the period mentioned by user. Lastly, this is a speak output that will be sent to Telegram via Telegram bot named AI Project Bot like this.
Hi, welcome to Coronavirus Data. Can I help you? Hello, here is coronavirus data at Malaysia between October 5, 2020 until October 12, 2020. The total confirmed cases at Malaysia is 3,407. Total recovered is 682, and total mortality cases is 22. The confirmed cases rate is 26.59%. Recovered rate is 6.60%. The mortality rate is 16.06%. Hi, welcome to Coronavirus Data. Can I help you? Hello, here is coronavirus data at Singapore between September 15, 2020 until September 20, 2020. The total confirmed cases at Singapore is 88. Total recovered is 297, and total mortality cases is 0. The confirmed cases rate is 0.15%. Recovered rate is 0.52%. The mortality rate is 0.00%. Hi, welcome to Coronavirus Data. Can I help you? Sorry, unable to provide you any coronavirus data. Please check your date/country and try again.
Open coronavirus data.
Hi, welcome to Coronavirus Data. Can I help you?
Update about coronavirus.
Which country?
Singapore.
Start date?
1st of July.
End date?
1st of September.
Hello, here is coronavirus data at Singapore between July 1, 2020 until September 1, 2020. The total confirmed cases at Singapore is 12,730. Total recovered is 16,738, and total mortality cases is 1. The confirmed cases rate is 28.85%. Recovered rate is 42.91%. The mortality rate is 3.85%.
So for the task 3, we will have 3 intent. The first one is to tell the user on the latest news, coronavirus news. So the user might ask for coronavirus news or latest update of coronavirus in Malaysia. So you'll run through the news API. So the second one is the task 3B intent. 3B, it will tell the user on the country with the highest confirmed cases. For example, user asks for top 5, so it will tell the user the top 5 country with highest confirmed cases. And then the third one will be get task 3C intent. 3C, it will tell the user the country with the highest mortality rate. It is almost the same as the task 3B intent, but this one it will tell the user with the highest mortality rate. Example, user asks for top 2, top 5 or top 7, it will tell the user the top 7 country with highest mortality rate, for example.
In order to help the people understand the dangerous as well as avoid the infection of COVID-19, the task 3 is able to speak out some updated news from the API to the user. Here is some of the intents we designed, like the user can tell the Alexa to tell them the corona news or to search for some corona related update. Then all these intents will do the same thing, which will go through this news API, and in the title here the code will search for the keywords COVID. Then if the title is with the keyword COVID, the index number of this particular article will be saved as a variable here. The winner one is equal to J. Then after we have the index number, then we can manipulate the info in our speak output. I can let the Alexa to speak out the date for that particular news API here, the date, then also following with the news title and also the description. Then what if there are no COVID related news there? The code also able to handle by speak out. There are no COVID related news is found. Okay.
So the task 3B intent is to get the country with the highest confirmed cases. Or if the user input number, example top 5, it will tell the user the top 5 country with the highest confirmed cases. So for this one, we'll run through the URL of the COVID-19 API of this summary. Okay, so by default, this code, if no number is detected, which means no number input by the user, it will get the top 1 country with highest confirmed cases as the output. The variable of the total confirmed and the country is set to be an empty array. So for the total confirmed array, we push -1, which means we add -1 into the array of the total confirmed. And then also for the country array, we push an empty string into the array of country, which means for example, if we needed 3 times, if user requests for top 3 country with confirmed cases, then it will look through the API for 3 times to find the highest confirmed cases, and then compare with the total confirmed array of the -1. If it's bigger than -1, then it will replace the -1. Okay, so then we will assign the I into a new array called the new win. This purpose is to, like here we set the new array to -1 so that it will not select again. For example, the first country is America, so it will not select again America for the second or for the third highest. After all the looping for the results have done, it will have the speak output and then send to the Telegram. The code for the task 3C is actually almost similar to the task 3B. It's just that because this for the task 3C, it is finding for the highest mortality rate of the country. So the rate will be equals to the total dates divided by the total confirmed times with 100%.
Welcome to coronavirus data. October 26, 2020. I have found some news for you. COVID-19. Many still not wearing face masks, says Ismail Sabri, the Star Online. The description of the news is, peddling Jaya, even though the wearing of face masks is considered to be one of the basic standard operating procedures, SOP, in the battle against COVID-19, many are still not adhering to it, says Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob. Welcome to coronavirus data. November 2nd, 2020. I have found some news for you. 834 new COVID-19 cases today. 2 new deaths recorded. NSDTV. New Straits Times. The description of the news is, Putrajaya, Malaysia recorded 834 new COVID-19 cases today, bringing its tally of infections to 33,339, including 9,968 active cases. Welcome to coronavirus data. The lists of top 4 countries with the highest confirmed cases are 1. United States of America with 9,125,482 cases. 2. India with 8,184,082 cases. 3. Brazil with 5,535,605 cases. 4. Russian Federation with 1,606,267 cases. Welcome to coronavirus data. The country with the highest mortality rate is 1. Yemen with 29.04%. The lists of top 2 countries with the highest mortality rates are 1. Yemen with 29.04%. 2. Western Sahara with 10.00%.
Alexa, open coronavirus data.
Welcome to coronavirus data.
Tell me top 3 countries with highest mortality rate.
The lists of top 3 countries with the highest mortality rates are 1. Yemen with 29.05%. 2. Western Sahara with 10.00%. 3. Mexico with 9.94%.
Tell me top countries with highest
Sorry,
confirmed
I
cases.
don't know about that. Please try again.
Tell me top countries with highest confirmed cases.
The country with the highest confirmed cases is 1. United States of America with 9,044,255 cases.
Tell me top 3 countries with highest confirmed cases.
The lists of top 3 countries with the highest confirmed cases are 1. United States of America with 9,044,255 cases. 2. India with 8,137,119 cases. 3. Brazil with 5,516,658 cases.
Search for coronavirus news.
October 31st, 2020. I have found some news for you. COVID-19. October 31st. 659 new cases. No deaths. Record number of recoveries. Malaysia Kini. The description of the news is, updated 6:50 p.m. Total number of active cases significantly lower than yesterday. 1,000 patients discharged.
As always, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.